Most people think they are wrong with plants, but that's not true. The real problem is this. They start with the wrong plants. Some houseplants are naturally hard to kill, even if you forget them, overwater them, or place them in the wrong light. And today, I'm going to show you the 10 best beginner houseplants that practically survive on their own. If you've ever killed a plant before, this video will completely change your plant journey. These plants are perfect for busy people, beginners, and anyone who wants a green home without stress. Let's start with the easiest ones you can grow right now. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called the unkillable plant for a reason. It is one of the toughest indoor plants you can own. With its tall, sword-shaped leaves and striking green patterns, it adds a modern and elegant look to any space. What makes it perfect for beginners is its ability to survive almost anything. It tolerates low light, dry air, and irregular watering. In fact, it prefers being ignored more than overwatered. If you forget to water it for 2 or even 3 weeks, it will still stay healthy. Another amazing benefit is that the snake plant helps improve indoor air quality by filtering toxins and releasing oxygen at night, making it great for bedrooms. Care is extremely simple. Place it in indirect light or low light, and water only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is the only real danger. If you want a plant that looks expensive but requires almost zero effort, the snake plant is your best starting point. Number 2. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the most beginner-friendly and rewarding houseplants you can grow. It has long, arching green and white striped leaves that grow in a fountain-like shape, making it perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. What makes this plant special is how fast and easily it grows. It produces baby spider plants called spiderets that hang from the mother plant like little green spiders. You can cut them and grow new plants instantly, which makes it fun and interactive. It is extremely forgiving. Whether you place it in bright, indirect light or slightly shaded corners, it adapts well. It also tolerates occasional mist waterings, although it prefers slightly moist soil. The spider plant is also known for being a natural air purifier, helping remove indoor pollutants and improving freshness in your home. Care is simple. Water when the topsoil feels dry, avoid direct harsh sunlight, and occasionally trim old leaves. If you want a plant that grows fast, multiplies easily, and looks beautiful in any space, the spider plant is a perfect choice for beginners. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is often called the ultimate beginner plant because it grows almost anywhere and forgives almost every mistake. It has beautiful trailing vines with heart-shaped leaves that come in green, golden, or variegated patterns. You can place it on shelves, hang it in baskets, or let it climb walls for a jungle-like look. What makes Pothos so easy is its adaptability. It can survive in low light, bright indirect light, and even fluorescent office lighting. It also tells you when it needs water. Its leaves slightly droop, then bounce back after watering. You don't need to stress about exact schedules. Just water when the soil feels dry, and it will thrive. Another bonus is how fast it grows. A small plant can turn into long, dramatic vines in just a few months. You can also cut the vines and grow new plants in water very easily. Pothos is perfect for beginners who want quick results. Lush greenery and minimal effort. If you can only choose one starter plant, this is the one most plant lovers recommend. Number 4. Jade plant. The jade plant is one of the most effortless houseplants you can own. It has thick, glossy, deep green leaves that almost look artificial because they are so perfect. But what makes it truly special is its extreme tolerance for neglect. This plant stores water in its underground rhizomes, meaning it can survive long periods without watering. In fact, overwatering is the only real way to harm it. If you forget it for weeks, it will still stay strong and healthy. The jade plant also thrives in low-light conditions, making it ideal for offices, bedrooms, or darker corners of your home where most plants would struggle. Care is extremely simple. Place it in indirect or low light and water only when the soil is completely dry. sometimes every 2-3 weeks or even less in cooler environments. It also grows slowly, which is a benefit for beginners who don't want constant pruning or repotting. If you want a plant that looks luxurious, modern, and always healthy with almost no effort, the ZZ plant is one of the best choices you can make. Number 5. Peace lily. The peace lily is one of the most elegant indoor plants, known for its deep green leaves and beautiful white flower-like blooms. It instantly adds a calm, clean, and peaceful feeling to any room. What makes it perfect for beginners is how clearly it communicates. When it needs water, its leaves droop dramatically, but after watering, it quickly perks back up. This makes plant care much easier for first-timers. Peace lilies also thrive in low to medium light, making them suitable for homes without strong sunlight. However, they do best in indirect light where they can bloom more often. They prefer slightly moist soil, but not soggy conditions. A simple watering routine of once a week, adjusted based on dryness, usually works well. Another benefit is air purification. Peace lilies are known for helping remove toxins from indoor air, making your space feel fresher and cleaner. If you want a plant that is beautiful, expressive, and beginner-friendly, the peace lily is a perfect addition to your home. Number 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most useful and beginner-friendly plants you can grow. It is a succulent with thick, fleshy leaves filled with a cooling gel that is famous for soothing burns, skin irritation, and minor cuts. This plant thrives on neglect, making it perfect for busy beginners. It prefers bright indirect sunlight and does best near a sunny window. Because it stores water in its leaves, it only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks. The most important rule with aloe vera is simple. Do not overwater it. Too much moisture can cause root rot, which is the most common mistake. Aloe vera grows slowly but steadily, producing new pups around its base over time, which you can replant. Besides being decorative, it also has practical benefits. You can break a leaf and use the gel directly for skincare or minor burns. If you want a plant that is both beautiful and functional and requires almost no effort to maintain, aloe vera is one of the best choices for beginners. Number 7. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a bold and stylish indoor plant known for its large, shiny, dark green leaves. It brings a strong, modern, and tropical feel to any space. Even though it looks exotic, it is surprisingly easy to care for, making it great for beginners who want a statement plant. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they can also adapt to moderate light conditions. The key is avoiding harsh, direct sunlight, which can damage the leaves. Watering is simple. Allow the top layer of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering is the main thing to avoid, as it can lead to root issues. This plant grows steadily and can become quite tall over time, making it perfect for filling empty corners in a room. Occasional wiping of the leaves helps keep them shiny and healthy, as dust can block light absorption. If you want a plant that looks expensive, grows into a beautiful indoor tree, and is still beginner-friendly, the rubber plant is an excellent choice. Number 8. Philodendron. Philodendrons are one of the most forgiving and versatile houseplants you can grow. They come in many varieties, but most share one thing in common: heart-shaped leaves and easy care. This plant is perfect for beginners because it adapts to almost any indoor environment. Whether you place it in low light or bright indirect light, it continues to grow steadily. Philodendrons are also very expressive. If they need water, their leaves may slightly droop, but they recover quickly after watering. They prefer slightly moist soil, but are very tolerant if you forget to water occasionally. Overwatering should still be avoided to prevent root issues. You can grow philodendrons as trailing plants, climbing vines, or bushy indoor greenery depending on how you train them. They also grow fast, which makes them satisfying for beginners who want visible progress in their plants. If you want a low-maintenance plant that is beautiful, flexible, and almost impossible to mess up, the philodendron is a perfect choice. Number 9. Jade plant. The jade plant is a classic succulent often associated with luck, prosperity, and positive energy. It has thick, oval-shaped leaves and a tree-like structure that becomes more beautiful as it matures. This plant is extremely easy to care for, making it ideal for beginners. It prefers bright light and thrives in sunny spots like windowsills. Because it stores water in its leaves, it only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks. In fact, it is far better to underwater a jade plant than to overwater it. It grows slowly but steadily, developing a thick trunk over time that gives it a miniature tree appearance. With proper care, it can live for many years. Jade plants also propagate easily from leaf or stem cuttings, making them fun to multiply. If you want a plant that symbolizes good fortune, requires minimal attention, and adds a calm, structured look to your space, the jade plant is an excellent beginner choice. Number 10. Boston fern. The Boston fern is a lush, soft and elegant plant known for its feathery green fronds. It creates a fresh, natural, forest-like atmosphere indoors. Unlike some other beginner plants, it prefers slightly more humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or well-moistened indoor spaces. It grows best in indirect light and should be kept away from harsh direct sunlight, which can dry out its delicate leaves. The key to keeping a Boston fern healthy is consistent moisture. The soil should remain slightly damp but never waterlogged. Regular misting can also help maintain humidity. Although it requires a bit more attention than succulents, it is still beginner-friendly once you understand its needs. It's fast-growing. Full appearance makes it a rewarding plant for anyone wanting a lush indoor jungle vibe. If you want a plant that feels soft, vibrant, and naturally beautiful, the Boston fern is a great finishing touch for your indoor collection. So there you have it, the 10 best houseplants for beginners and new plant parents, from the nearly unkillable snake plant and ZZ plant to fast-growing favorites like Pothos and Spider Plant. These plants are designed to make your journey easy, enjoyable, and stress-free. Remember this, you don't need to be perfect with plants. You just need to start with the right ones. Most plant problems happen from overthinking or overwatering, not from lack of experience. Start with just 1 or 2 plants. Learn how they respond. Build confidence slowly. And before you know it, your home will turn into a green, peaceful space that feels alive and refreshing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which plant you already have, or which one you want to try first. And if you want more plant care secrets, easy growing tips, and beginner guides, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Your plant journey starts now.
Small space, big green impact. You don't need a large home. Even apartments can feel like garden rooms.